Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two things: charge and account access. Once charged above 20%, power off the Pixel 6. Hold the power button until the menu appears. Then tap power off and wait for the screen to go black. If the phone is unresponsive, hold power for 30 seconds to force shutdown. Make sure you have your Google sign-in ready. Factory reset will erase data, and you'll need that credential to complete setup afterward. Once the device is off, press and hold power plus volume down to enter the bootloader. You'll see fast boot text. Use the volume down or up keys to cycle to recovery mode, then press power to select it. When the Android robot appears with no command, hold power and tap volume up briefly to show the recovery menu. This step gets you into the restore tools without loading Android, so you can safely proceed to wipe data. In recovery, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset with the volume keys, then press power to confirm. Wait for the process to finish. It may take a few minutes. Once done, select Reboot System Now and let the phone start fresh. If you hit a lock during setup, that's factory reset protection. Make sure you sign in with the same Google account previously used. If problems persist, try the reset again or use a PC with Android.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.